G'day, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Horsea. I'm going to start Horsea with a circle for the head and then an oval shape for the body, and then the tail is going to come around and in here. So I've got some construction lines ready to go. Now it's a matter of finishing Horsea off. So I'm going to start with the nose and the mouth. Curved line. This is going to be an oval shape in here that's coloured in black. That's the front of Horsea. There's Sea Dragon. Now we're going to bring this, it's going to curve in and then out to join that line. Now we've got to put the eye here. So oval shape in behind there, and then this eye, because it's closer to us, it's going to be bigger, so we're going to start the other shape here, oval with a flatter bottom. And now because she's looking this way, or Horsea's looking this way, we are going to put one oval there and an oval here, and then the eye, the pupil, is going to be there, and almost touching here is the other pupil. Now we're going to colour that in and leaving a black bit at the top on both of those pupils. So looking this way. Now we've got the head that comes around, so we've got the head that comes this curve, we're going to go over that. Now if you wanted to draw in pencil, that's a good idea because you can rub it out. I'm going to draw the spiky bits coming off the head, which is one there. And then there's another one that comes out, and they slowly get narrower as they go out up here. And then there's another one coming up, like so. And then on this side of the head, the reason I didn't draw this whole line because it breaks through. So starting here, coming up, and then back in, and then back out, back in, and then back out, back in, like so. And then we've got a line that comes around like this. And then we're going to do Horsea's body coming down and around. I'm going to make it slightly longer, bring it around like a spiral, back in like that, and then the body comes down and around, and this is the belly. It comes back in like this, and then we've got some curved lines coming over. So curve line up, curve line up, curve line up, and then this one here is down. And then we're going to put the little fin on the back, curve it out, down, and then back in and around like so. And then one line out there, another line out like that. And there we have a simple drawing of the Pokemon character Horsea, ready for colouring in. And I'm going to speed up my colouring. Thanks for joining me in drawing Horsea. I hope you had a great time. If you want to see some of my other Pokemon videos, check out the links. And if you have a special request of any picture that you'd like to see me draw, comment below and I'll see what I can do. Until next time, thanks for watching. I'll see ya. Bye.